This is a bike check for my 2019 Dak frame. I was ridden by him. The parts shimmer and haze for Vans, BMX. I won it right off Cult, their Instagram. It's got like all Eclat parts on it. Everything from the bars down to the forks and the wheels, the headset. It's Eclat, I believe. Yeah. It's Eclat tibia cranks, A.k sprocket, storm forks, torch, pivotal post. See, you got the Eclat Surge alloy pedals, $100 pedals. The alloyed CNC'd. And then I got the seismic hubs laced to E440 rim. They're super light, just super loud. They're a really good wheel, really good hub. I got Cult Heaven's Gate grips. I got a Cult hemp seat. I got the Cult Fast and Loose tires, Dan Foley tires, 240. Fast and loose. That's sick. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, so I got the Eclat. It's the Onyx stem. 1 inch oversized clamping for the bars that are Eclat Strangler bars, right there. The 1-0. It's the bigger oversized clamping for the bigger oversized bars. Yeah, it's a dope bike.